Hello, dear doctors. This is Arpit, and we are bringing to you a digital consulting platform. This is not just any other video consultation platform. It has been designed keeping you, your identity in mind. It's a pretty unique platform where you get your own website, you get your own account linked to the payment gateway, and there are various modes of consultation with the patient. You can either do it via phone call or a video conferencing or a chat online. You have to just visit demo.easylifepatientcare.com. So let me go to demo.easylifepatientcare.com and you have to just punch in your number there. I am putting my name and my phone number. As soon as we'll press let's begin, an SMS will come on my mobile phone. So what you see on screen now is my mobile phone, and I am pressing on let's begin. I've been registered, and then I will receive an SMS, and there you go. I've received an SMS with a password on my mobile phone. Then I can go on top and log in as a doctor. Here I will enter my mobile number. Then I will go to my phone. I'll check the notification. I'll get a password here. On the password, I will enter my password. And there I can log in to my portal. Before we proceed any further, let me tell you how having your own website works. If you have your own hospital website, we can start it on that domain, or otherwise we can give you a subdomain on one of our domains. Like I'll show you how we have implemented it for various hospitals and clinics. So this is a link for Kasare Hospital, where there are images of your hospital playing in the background, and whenever a patient visits this site, they can click on Start Test. Similarly, we have implemented it for many other hospitals. This is for Pulse Clinic. This is for a homeopathy clinic. This is for a dental clinic. So that is how we work for various hospitals. You have to just tell to your patients the URL, and then they can log into that URL and press on Start Test and then connect to you. So once you have your own portal, you have to just popularize the link. For now, we are on demo.digiclinics.in or demo.easylifepatientcare.com. This will have, you will have your own link with your own logo, and then there are steps to connect to doctor. So you have to just send this link to your patients. It can be sent via WhatsApp or it can be sent by bulk SMS, and then patient can communicate to you by just pressing on the Start Test button. So usually the patients are on mobile phone, and suppose I am your patient. I have received this link on my mobile phone. So here I will show you patient's mobile phone. On the patient mobile phone, I'll go to the link. The link will be demo.digiclinics.in. For you, it will be your own link. Then as a patient, I have to go down. I can read the steps to contact the doctor. I have to just press on the Start Test button. Here, this is multilingual. I can choose various languages like Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi. I'll continue with English for now. And I'll put my phone number. So this is suppose a dummy patient's phone number. I'll put the name of the patient. So this patient is doing himself or herself on the mobile phone. They can choose the city from where they want to consult. It could be in and around your town. Once I proceed, then the patient gets a set of questionnaires. These questionnaires could be according to your practice if you are a dentist or an orthopedician. Here I have put a generic Corona questionnaire. So the patient can fill these questions, and then as the next step, the patients are asked to upload a video of their problem. So the patients can record a 30-second video explaining to you the problem. So I am recording the video on my mobile phone. Hello doctor, I am acting as a dummy patient here and I am sending you this video to explain my problem. I'll be getting only 30 seconds to get this video. As soon as I upload the video, you will be receiving an SMS from where you can see this video and then respond to me. Thank you. Then the patient will upload the video. Once he has uploaded, he will get a confirmation that within 24 hours the doctor will see your video and then respond to you. So here the patient's role has ended. Now we will see what is happening on the doctor's phone. So here is the doctor's phone, and on the doctor's phone, as soon as the patient uploaded the consultation, doctor has got an SMS that patient uploaded a video. Click to view. Here you can see. So doctors are mostly working over their laptop. If you are on the go, then you can even work from your mobile phones. But I would suggest doctors check everything from the mobile phone. So we'll go back to the doctor's panel. And on the doctor's panel, I'll refresh this health case and there you go. So here the doctor is able to see that a new health case has come in the name of Garima. Here are all the questionnaires which have been filled by Garima, the location. Now the doctor is able to see this new consultation which has come in from the patient. The doctor can quickly review this consultation by pressing the play button here, and it starts playing the video. So the patient is explaining his problem. The doctor can hear the problem of the patient. The doctor can see the questionnaire filled by the patient, the status of the ongoing health case, and as the next step, doctor can ask for a payment. So according to the patient, according to the problem, you can ask for a variable amount. So suppose for this consultation, the doctor will ask for rupees 200 payment. As soon as the doctor presses on the payment link, you will see on the patient's mobile phone, I'll show you the patient's mobile phone. The patient will receive an SMS of the payment link. So doctor gets a confirmation that the payment link has been sent to patient's mobile. And here you see on the patient's mobile phone, the patient has received a payment link. Once the patient clicks on the payment, it opens on the web browser where the patient can pay by credit card, debit card, NEFT or by UPI payment. I am entering a UPI payment. And then I will make a payment. So here I am making a payment, and as soon as I make the payment, we'll see on the doctor's phone also that doctor will receive an SMS of the payment made. So payment has become successful on the patient's phone, and doctor has received an SMS that Garima has paid 200 rupees. Here on the doctor's page, you can just refresh this page and you can see that rupees 200 have been paid. So now you can go on to consult the patient. Even before that, you don't have to wait for making the payments. If you want to consult the patient for free, then you can always do that. It is up to your discretion how much do you want to charge a patient, and if you want to wait for the payment or not. So as a doctor, now I'm seeing the details of the health case of this patient. So now once the doctor is able to see the details of the health case, he can then respond to the patient. The mannerism in which doctor can respond is four. Firstly, he can type a comment to the patient. He can ask for the problems, like for how long do you have this problem, and then he can send comment. As soon as he sends the comment, it appears on the timeline, and patient also gets an SMS of this. Suppose instead of sending a comment, doctor wants to explain something to the patient. Then what he can do is, he can record a video and explain it to the patient. So here the doctor can press on record video. Actually, my video recording is already going on, so I cannot show you the recording here because multiple cameras are not allowed. For the video recording, I will show you some actual consultations that have been done by some doctors. So I am going to Pulse Clinic website, where there are different cases for different dates by different patients, and then the doctor has actually replied to a lot of these cases. So suppose this is the case, then the doctor can view details, and here is a patient telling his problem.
डॉक्टर साहेब या पेशंटला अगोदर टायफॉइड झालेला होता, त्याच्यानंतर त्याचा टायफॉइड 8 मार्चला निगेटिव्ह आला, त्याच्यानंतर याला थायरॉइड सुद्धा होतं, त्याच्यानंतर आता आम्ही काल परवा याची तपासणी करत आहे, याला आता B12 तपासणीमध्ये निघाला आहे. याच्या पेशंटचे लक्षण असे आहे की याचं पूर्ण अंग ढिल्लं पडलेलं आहे, पायानं चालता येत नाही, याला पाय कारपट किरपट पाय पडतात, एक साईड तोल जातो आणि त्याचा तो चिडल्यासारखा करतो आणि पूर्ण तब्येतीची पूर्ण.
So this is how it is helpful to understand the problems of the patient initially over a video consultation, and then it's to you to take a call. How do you want to contact the patient? Another fabulous way to contact the patient is through a phone call. This phone call is through cloud telephony. It is a recorded line, and your number is not exposed to the patient. So let us take and see an example how this works. So I have patient's phone, I have doctor's phone. Now on this screen, you can see the call patient button here. So I will press on the call patient button. Once I press on the call patient button, it says call initiated. So first, you can see the doctor's phone is getting a ring. Once I pick up the phone on the doctor's phone, then another call is sent to the patient. This is the patient phone which is ringing now. Once the patient also picks up the phone, so both the calls are merged. So now the doctor and patient are talking to each other, and the contact number of doctor is not exposed to the patient. Once the consultation is over, then doctor can keep the phone, patient also keeps the phone, and this whole consultation is recorded. So you see the page has got refreshed, and you can see the audio call recording here, which you can play, and you will be able to hear all the recording over and again. Another feature under development is live video call. So you can press on the more options, and then you will be able to schedule a video call according to your own convenience. So suppose you are available at 6:30 in the evening, then you can choose the date and time, and then you can schedule a video call for this health case. As soon as you schedule a video call, a SMS will go to the patient, which will say that a video call has been scheduled with a URL. The patient only has to click on that URL at that point of time, and you will also have to be logged in from this portal on this video conferencing page. So if this is on top, it is green, then you are logged in, and as soon as the patient will click on the link, you will see an incoming video call. Once you are on a video call, then you will be able to write a prescription here, and then the patient will receive a prescription. After having a satisfactory discussion with the patient, the next step for a doctor would be to write a prescription. If not over a video call, then you can write a prescription here also. For now, for a doctor, they can send a RX upload link to the mobile. So I will show you the doctor's screen also. This is the doctor's phone, and as soon as I press this send RX upload link to mobile button, then an SMS is sent to the doctor. Here the doctor's phone has received an SMS. It is saying patient Garima upload a prescription. I will just click on this link and it automatically opens in a web browser, and it opens a camera also for me. I will change the direction. I will take a prescription snapshot and I will upload. Once the doctor has uploaded the prescription, the patient also gets an SMS that the prescription has been uploaded by the doctor. So here you see at the bottom, doctor has uploaded a prescription. The patient will be able to just click on this link and see the prescription on his mobile phone. So here is the prescription to the patient, which they can see on their mobile phone. On the doctor's view also, if I refresh this page, the prescription will appear for the doctor. Okay, doctor, this is the complete flow. If you like the solution, if you have any feedback for us, I'll be happy to take it. I would just ask you to go to our demo website and put your number there, and we'll be happy to connect to you and demonstrate the solution to you. Thank you.